Hello students. Now previous lecture we have completed halogen diet of alkane and arene. Okay, students. Any doubt you can ask me on mobile or WhatsApp. Okay, students. Now today we are going to discuss the basic information or basic concepts of the organic chemistry. Basic concepts of organic chemistry. Basic concepts of the organic chemistry. You know that organic compounds are classified into two categories. First one is based on structure, and second one is based on functional group. Student, it is an important part of our organic chemistry. Organic chemistry are classified into two types. First, the classification based on the structure and classification based on the functional group. Okay. Now today we are going to discuss classification of organic compound based on structure. There are the two main important organic compounds. First one is open chain compounds. It is also called acyclic compounds, or it is also called aliphatic compounds. Okay. Second part is the name of the compound is cyclic compound, or it is also called closed chain compound. Or it is also called ring size compound. Okay, students, we have seen the classification of organic compound based on the structure. First one is the open chain compound, and second one is the closed chain compound, or ring size compound, or cyclic compound. Students, you know that open chain compounds. This open chain compounds you have seen in the 11th standard. First example is alkane. You know that alkane is it is aliphatic saturated hydrocarbon. The general molecular formula is CnH2n plus 2. Okay. Example: methane, ethane, propane, butane. Second example is alkene. Third example: alkyne. AlKyne. These are the examples of open chain compounds. Okay, students, we are going to discuss in the detail cyclic compounds. Cyclic compounds are also classified into two types. First one is a homocyclic compound. Homocyclic compounds. And second one is a heterocyclic compounds. What is the meaning of homocyclic compounds? Homocyclic compounds are classified into two types. First one is a alicyclic compounds, and second one is the aromatic compounds. Okay, and Heteroalicyclic compounds are also classified into two types. First one is a heteroalicyclic compound. Heteroalicyclic compound, and second one is the heteroaromatic compounds. Heteroaromatic compounds. Okay, students, you know that alicyclic compound, you know that open chain compounds. Open chain compounds are also called as the aliphatic compounds. What is the meaning of alicyclic compound? Example. The property of alicyclic compound is similar to the aliphatic compound, but alicyclic compounds are the cyclic compounds. First example. Okay, how many carbon atoms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and structure is present in the cyclic form. Therefore, name of the compound is a cyclohexane. Cyclohexane. We can write another compound. It is the name of compound is the cyclopentane. We can write another compound. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means butane categories. This compound is called as a cyclobutane. We can write another. It is a cyclopropane. What is the meaning of alicyclic compound? These are the cyclic compound, but property of these compounds are similar to the aliphatic compounds, are called as the alicyclic compound. Example: cyclohexane, cyclopentane, cyclobutane, cyclopropane. What is the meaning of aromatic compound? Aromatic compounds are cyclic compounds, and it containing alternate double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, and double bond. Okay, this is the standard example of the aromatic compound. Name of compound is a benzene. We can write another compound. This structure is called as a naphthalene. Naphthalene. Okay, we can write number of structures. Anthracene is also example of the aromatic compound. In our examination, ask the question. It is a basic part of organic chemistry. What is the meaning of aromatic compounds? These are the cyclic compounds, and it containing alternate double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, and it obeys Huckel's rule. And it obeys Huckel's rule is nothing but the 4n plus 2 pi electron. Okay. Now we are going to discuss heterocyclic compound. What is the meaning of heterocyclic compound? The cyclic compound containing one heteroatom, that is nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur. The cyclic compound containing at least one heteroatom. What is the meaning of heteroatom? Heteroatom is nothing but the nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur. All are the heteroatom. Cyclic compound containing at least one heteroatom are called as a heterocyclic compound. Now we are going to discuss heteroalicyclic compound. Okay, you know that alicyclic ring. It is an alicyclic ring. Okay, alicyclic ring containing at least one heteroatom. This compound is called as a piperidine. This compound is called as a piperidine. We can write another example. This compound is called as a THF. THF stands for the tetrahydrofuran. THF stands for the tetrahydrofuran. We can write another example. NH. This compound is called as a pyrrole. This compound is called as a pyrrole. What is the meaning of heteroalicyclic compound? The alicyclic ring containing at least one heteroatom are called as a heteroalicyclic compound. Piperidine, tetrahydrofuran, pyrrole, thiophene, all are the examples of the heteroalicyclic compound. Students, tell me definition of the heteroaromatic compound. Heteroaromatic compound is nothing but the aromatic ring containing at least one heteroatom. This is the example of the heteroaromatic compound. The name of example is a pyridine. Pyridine. Heteroaromatic compound. It is an aromatic ring and it containing at least one heteroatom. Therefore, it is an example of the heteroaromatic compounds. Students, today we stop here. Tomorrow we will proceed classification of organic compounds on the basis of functional group. Thank you very much.